Hi, I'm Ali, and this is Jeff. We just got back from a workout and we are starving. So because we only have one thing in the cupboard, we are going to review...
Oh, that is not true.
One of these.
That is so not true. Basically, what's going on, guys, is we're going to go away and do a 3-night trek in Tasmania called the Three Capes, and we're going with our great friends Rob and Ray. Hello, Rob and Ray. And we've got to take food with us in our bag, so we thought...
Some hiking food.
Yeah, some hiking food, and light. So we've decided that we're going to trial some of this backcountry stuff, and this is a cooked breakfast. And
you guys are coming along for the ride. Now, Jeff, is this stuff any good?
Well, I've had... Oh no, we did. We had a meal a couple of weeks ago, and I actually
I'm just asking, like, will I need this?
No, I think you should be right. If you've tried these guys before and you like or you don't like, make a comment below and let us know. We're going to do a review and see what it's like.
So this one is a cooked breakfast.
What's it got in it?
A hearty combo of freeze-dried smoking beef, tomato, egg, and a hash brown potato mix. It has got, it's gluten-free, which is good. It's got 3,820 kilojoules of energy, 41 grams of protein, 51 grams of fat, and 67 grams. So it's good for you, I guess. Well, it says fast, nourishing food for adventurers.
All right, in 2 seconds, I'm going to go and get my phone and I'm going to get my Fitbit app and find out exactly how many calories are in this bag. Yeah?
Yeah, I suppose. And then it's got on the back, you've got to add some boiling water. There's 500 mils in this pack. And the instructions are that you tear here to add your water. You open the base at the corners, you shake the bag loose to make sure all the bits are at the bottom. I will show you this as we go through. Tear open the bag, put in your water, squeeze air out, seal the bag with an internal ziplock, which is inside here. You can feel the ziplock here. And then stir the meal, add more water if desired, and eat straight from the bag and enjoy.
Cancel that, it doesn't come up on the Fitbit. So...
Well, that's a bit useless,
I don't know what that means.
Alright, so, I guess...
Shake it, baby, shake it.
Let's shake this up. Get it mixed. I'll get the camera off and I'm going to film you doing all of the technical stuff.
Bit of hygiene, just going to wash my hands.
Alright.
So guys, here's the instructions. Number one...
I already read the instructions.
Well, I'm doing it though. Don't want to do it. So here we are, guys. The instructions go. Number one, pull at the base of the corners and shake the bag to loosen. Do you like those guys when you get a cocktail and they do this?
Oh, I like how you're preparing the food today, Jeff.
Why don't they just go like that?
Because you look like something you're doing else.
Hey. Number two, tear open the bag at the top tear notch. So I'm gathering that's this one up here.
Do you want to get the scissors?
No, it's a tear, mate. You're out in the bloody bush camping. Oh, get me the scissors. Oh, while you're there, can you make me a margarita?
Tear it straight.
Hey, I'm tearing what it says to do. Look. There it goes.
Okay,
it's teared. Is that a word? Have a look inside. Ooh.
Okay.
And then it says, remove any sachets. Add water.
You got to remove the hash brown sachet.
Hey, where is it?
I don't know.
What, you got to go digging in there?
Maybe. Is there a hash brown sachet? You better make sure, because you don't want to be leaving it in there and then... Any sachets? Any essays in the back?
No essays that I can see. That'd be funny if we get to the bottom and there's one in there though. I mean, I did give it a vigorous shake.
Yeah, okay, maybe there isn't one in this pack.
Well, why would it say that? Oh, this could be hilarious. All right, what does it say? Add 500 mils of boiling water.
All right.
Well, it's not
Kettle's boiled.
Oh,
You got to rinse that though.
it was boiling. It's not boiling now.
It'll be enough.
So if my calculations are correct, this would be 2 full cups, yeah?
Well, I hope so. Just come and check on you.
Am I right or am I right?
Yeah, I guess.
So, remove your sachets, add water, stated on the table, stir 500 mils. Here goes.
Good thing we're not starving. All right, that's one.
Where's one? Let me know if I'm doing something wrong.
I think a monkey could do this.
What are you trying to say? What's wrong with you? All right, there's 500 mils.
Now zip it.
No, I've got to stir it. Yeah.
Oh.
Mate. Any sachets? Get down into the corners.
Get into this, get into it.
Because you don't want to have little dry bits down there, do you?
Okay.
Take out all the air
Uh-huh.
and zip it up. Just zip it. What do you do?
Zip it good.
Zip it. Bathurst weekend this weekend. It's my favourite weekend of the year. And just
And we're having a bag breakfast.
now you let it stand between 10 and 15 minutes. We'll go 12.
Yeah, halfway. Set the
So
timer.
I'm actually going to take the oven with us on the 3 Capes walk. So we've got the timer. It'll go on the back. We might just carry it like that. Yeah, 12 months ago to this day, my back collapsed right here, right in this very spot. Could not walk. Went, grabbed the rubbish out of the bag and just fell to the floor. Weekend of Bathurst. 12 months.
Wasn't good.
So there you go. We'll be back in 12 minutes to have a taste test and let you know what this is like. Scrumptious or...
All right, magic of TV. Here we go.
Boom, boom. All right, guys. So we're out camping. We've been walking all day. Actually, no, it's the next morning because it's a breakfast. It's had 12 minutes. And that's what it looks like. Ook.
Looks like cat vomit.
There's a lot in there, though. There's a lot in there. Okay, so but you can eat it straight out of the bag.
Yeah, which you would normally do.
Actually, I think what they do is they will probably tear it on that line.
Oh yeah, so you got like your own little plate.
Yeah. So there you go. There's your bowl.
Okay.
All right, but we're gonna for the tasting. Look at the big pieces of egg in there. Gee, there's a lot of food.
Gee, wow.
That is a lot of food.
Load yours up. Don't
No
put it all in
way.
mine.
There's heaps
Oh
here.
jeez. This is a big breakfast.
This is huge, guys.
It is for two. This isn't a pack for one.
Yeah, no, that's true.
That just letting you know that this is a pack for two people or one person who really likes their dehydrated food. All right, I'm going to pop you back up on the tripods. So
I'll try and make it look pretty.
Oh yeah, present it while I'm gone.
I'm gonna get a sprig of parsley chuck in there.
So here goes.
Here we go, good. First to go in. It's still nice and warm.
I didn't know what I was going to expect with this, whether I was going to be crunching the nose up, but
It tastes more
what can you taste first? It's
potato.
Yeah, it's very hash browny.
It's got a lot of potato in it. And that's probably because you've been walking all day. There's carbs.
It's not
Not horrible.
no, there's crunchy bits in it. Like the bacon, I've had a couple of quite crunchy
Oh, it's beef.
beef.
So what's it got in it again?
They have smoky beef, tomato, egg, and hash brown.
Oh yeah, it's got some tomato. That was nice. So the big pieces of egg too. Look, not bad.
Yeah.
And the beef is nice and crispy. Well, not crispy, but still chunky. The carb, but I actually like it.
I'm impressed. Yeah. I think this one's a winner for the trip.
That's a big meal. A little bit of tomato sauce on top. That'd be good.
Actually,
We did
might do that.
try a shepherd's pie in the same brand, backcountry, and I really liked it. And we've got two more in there. We've got a roast chicken.
It was a bit that one, yeah, I don't know. I was gonna put a little bit over here on the side.
But yeah, I've got roast chicken and I've got a mushroom risotto.
Gotta have your Marty sauce, don't you?
Well guys, Alison,
Guys, Alison.
For something that's dehydrated and it's in a packet and will last for years.
The sauce is good.
A score out of 10, I'm going to give that a 7.
Give it a 7?
I think so. I mean,
I think it only lasts until, oh yeah. This is best before the 17th of March 2029. So it's it does have a good shelf life.
Start getting used to it because we're probably all going to be eating this stuff soon.
I'm going to give it a, I'm going to go high on this one. I'm going to give it an 8
Wow.
out of 10. It's really, really tasty. And I don't think I would be terribly concerned about eating this again.
No.
I'd be more than happy to eat it again.
Depending what happens to the after effects later on. But and just to let you know, I got 2 packs for, I think they were $18 each or something. So, yeah, it's an expensive breakfast. I think they're normally about $20, $21.
Is the double one dearer than the other one? The single? By how much? Do you
Double the
remember?
price.
Oh.
Double the price, yeah.
Okay. Well, bon appetit to us.
And it weighs 175 grams.
And
I'm enjoying it.
I'm not usually a fan of eating stuff out of bags, but and if you're the same as me, you might be pleasantly surprised by this one.
So far, we're 2 from 2.
Nice work. Thanks for sticking around and watching the video, guys. I'm going to go and finish this and my cup of tea, and we'll catch you in the next one. We're doing some more travel, and we've got to get the van out. We've got a wine hopper. The wine hopper one you would have just seen. We've got hiking coming up as well. We're doing a bit more walking around Tasmania and checking out some of the nature, and so mixing it up a little bit.
If you do like this sort of stuff, we've never done this before. We've never done a review on any foods. If you do like it, give us a thumbs up, let us know, and we'll do some more.
And just some review on some of the equipment that we're getting for the hike as well. So yeah, so it still is around travelling and camping and doing all that sort of stuff, but we're just going to mix it up a little bit. So hopefully you'll like it. If not, let us know in the comments. All right, anyway, I don't want this to go cold, so I will see you in the next one.
I've had enough.
You gotta eat it.
Right.
Come on, eat it, fatty.
Bye.